Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the future notification. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how can we sew button on sewing machine. My machine comes with this foot to sew button perfectly. Button foot also available in shops. You can use that also. This part is attaching to the sewing machine. We can look how it changes. Press the foot lifter and remove the default footer. This footer keep under like this and down the pressure foot lifter to fix it. This is feed lever. Keep left at normal sewing. At button stitching, feed the keeping down. For moving towards right, because on button stitching, fabric don't want to move forward. And ready to button stitch. Take a fabric and button. Here on stitching, we use a zigzag stitch. Stitching length may vary with the different button that we are taking. Keep the button and cloth like and down the pressure foot lifter, keeping it exact position. At first, moving by hand wheel to secure the needle to the buttonhole in a button. Nicely moving. Check it with 2 holes. The needle into the holes. For adjusting the stitching length, if it clearly comes, press the foot control and sew it. Round 6 or 7 zigzag stitches or whatever we want. If it completed, take it out. The last thread moving to backward through the normal sewing needle. If it comes backward, tie up with secure and the balance thread, cut it out. Here you can see the button fixed tightly. Easy to make button with the sewing machine. Thank you.